Hey everybody, in this video got a American lock here. It's a series 1205. Got no key for it. Let's see if we can pick our way into it. Pick my way into it, whatever. Put a lot of tension on it to start with here. Look at that, already open. It turned anyway, but the shackle didn't pop. That's interesting. There it goes. Didn't quite turn far enough. I was wondering if maybe it fit together wrong or something. I don't know. Anyway, so we can got it real quick here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always forget to beg for subscribers. I'm almost to 1,000 here. So if people aren't subscribed, it'd be cool if you did. Yeah, this one's actually got a bypass plate in it. Alright, and I do not want to lock it back because, like I said, I don't have a key to it. It's all greasy. This one's brand new. This was a rekey screw up is what this was. I'm not even on camera here, trying to get the clip off. Figured might as well do it on camera since we're making a video, I guess. So many of you subscribe to get awesome stuff like that, just filming a pinning tray. But it is a pretty cool pinning tray, though. You know, just 3D printed pinning tray action. And put that away. And I'm just gonna do this without a follower. Okay, so 5 is a spool, 4 is a spool, 3 serrated, 2 serrated, and 1 serrated. And I obviously can't count because I started on the 6th slot instead of the 5th. Gosh, I'm telling you, man, how could you not subscribe to this? This is amazing. This is great hot lock action here. Pin 1. I'm sure I got a key blank around here somewhere. There's one. Just stand up here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And look for that later. Alright, so here's what we got for bottom pins. And there's always the running joke on my videos of where the hell my tweezers went. And forget it. Alright, so for bottom pins. Okay, none of these are serrated pins, so on the bottoms, I don't know what pinning kit these came out of, but you know, top pins are all American drivers. You know, you got 3 serrated, 2 spools, and then the drivers are all long. It's going to be it's like a 1 or a 2. That's probably an 8. I mean a 7. That's probably a 6 or a 5. That's probably a 5. That's a 6. That's probably a 4. what I'll do, I'll probably just I'll measure them and cut a key, and I'll throw the bidding up on the screen when I do the post production on this. So anyway, that's an American Lock 1200 picked and gutted, and that'll do it for this video then, and we'll talk to everybody later.